Here we have a 16-inch swing milling drilling machine. We believe it might be a Rong or equivalent to a Rong RF-31. It appears to be unused. We think it might be a trade show model. It has been run in the past, but there is no signs of any milling or drilling going on. There's no metal shavings on it whatsoever at all. It's 1.5 horsepower, and it's a standard plug, 115 volt. It does have a light. There's a bulb in there. We did test it, but I don't have an adapter. But the light works on it, and everything else works on it. It's a very, very clean and nice-looking machine. And we're going to power it up for you in a minute. We tested all the functions on it. All the cross table works fine. This also works fine here. And you can you bring the quill down manually, like with these bars here, or you can tighten this up right here, and you can work it if you need to do small increments. In any case, what we're going to do is we're going to fire it up for you. And there's your reverse. A very quiet machine. Just going to open the cover up right here. Show you. And it operates very nicely here. Works fine in forward and reverse. This is reverse. Stop the machine. Turn it forward. It runs just as well in forward position. So there you have it. 16-inch swing